Welcome back to our channel. I take it that you might be having some issues with your Cobalt as well as I am. The headlights are not working. Levi and I are going to tackle this little job ourselves. And we're going to show you how easy this is to change a light bulb. It's very simple, very easy, and it only takes 5 to 10 minutes. Now I have some other issues with this car of mine. The key gets stuck, the AC doesn't work. Also, I'm going to change out the cabin air filter. So subscribe if you're interested in seeing some of these other short videos I'm going to be producing here in the near future. So now, let's get started. Okay, the first thing to do to make it easier to get the headlight out and give you some more room around the light is take these 3 little push button things out. And there is a tool that you can use, but if you don't want to buy that tool, it's like a little finger that goes in under it and pops it out. You can use it with a screwdriver like Levi's doing. And he has 2 of them out already. And you just kind of go under it and wiggle it. You could use two screwdrivers, one on each side. Will make it a little bit easier to pop out. You have to be careful or you could break them. But if you do happen to break one, it's not a big deal. You can pick those up for real inexpensive at the auto parts store. And see how this kind of gives you a little bit of extra room here to get that out. And so as I pull up on this, Levi pulls up on it and forward, and it comes out. And as we see here, there's like a tab right here and here. That's what sits down inside here to hold it in place. We stopped at the auto parts store earlier today, and this here is the part number 9007, and that will fit, I believe it's 06, which that's what we have here, up whole way up to I think 2010. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and change both light bulbs, but we're going to show you how to change one. Now that we have the headlight out, all you got to do is that housing around the bulb, you just turn it counterclockwise and it should come right on out there. A little bit of wiggling, and then what we do is be careful not to touch the bulb itself. Now this one here's the used one, so it's not a big deal, but you want to make sure you don't touch the that, because you put fingerprint stuff on there, and then allow the bulb not to last as long. Okay, now that we got this up out of there, there is a little clip on the inside of here. Actually, you just kind of give it a little bit of a pull, and it'll pull right out of there. You don't necessarily really need a screwdriver to do it. And it comes apart, and now we'll get the new one. And we'll open up the package for the new one. Now this is whenever you have to be careful not to touch the dome on the bulb itself. Okay, you set that down into that black cylinder piece, and then I'll hold this end. It'll make it a little bit easier, and then slide that back in there until it snaps into place. See these little notches, one this side, one here, and one up here on this side. And if you look inside here, you see a notch here, notch there, and a notch there. So you want to put that in there and kind of slide that down into that notch. And when that's seated in there, then you will turn the black circle piece to lock it into place. Okay, now Levi has that pushed into place into those grooves, and this round cylinder piece is clockwise turn and locked into place. And now basically you just kind of seat that thing back in there again and try to make sure that these grooves on the bottom, there's 2 tabs, are down into position like that, and press it back into place and put these screws that he took out first, put those screws back in. Those back in, help tighten them up, push those 3 push pins, snap into place. tighten up the bolts again. Okay, Levi, we're gonna go do the other one. Now the first one's a success.
Yep.
We'll go do the other one. Now that we got both of them done, let's go in and try them out. Okay, Levi, why don't you go turn the key on. In there, turn the key on and turn the lights on. Okay, you got it turned on. Which is it? Low beams or high beams? Low beams, turn the high beams on. Low beams. High beams. Yeah, see? Great job. Job well done. What do you say, Levi? Can 11? Yep, all you do is just push that forward like that. And that's the high beams, in which you did do that. Okay, look here. Can 11-year-old, 12-year-old? How old are you? 12? No, you're 13. I'm just joking. So tell everyone that a 12-year-old can change this light bulb.
Well guys, thanks for watching. Please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell so then you get notified for the other Cobalt videos that are going to be coming out.